The objective of this activity is to find the difference of two decimal numbers. Let's see the concept of subtracting decimal numbers. Suppose you have a number like 113.84 and you want to subtract a number like 74.3 from that. So the larger number is 113.84. How do you write the second number 74.3? You have to align the decimals one below the other. So 74.3 is to be written like this. After decimal you have only one number in 74.3, so you can suffix a 0 here. It doesn't change the number. Now subtract vertically. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. Put a decimal under the decimal and then you have to borrow 1 from here. So this becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. And so this becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. And therefore the answer for the question is 39.54. And that completes this concept. Let's see what is the material required for this. We have to use square grid of paper, sketch pens and geometry kit for the drawing work and a pair of scissors for all the cutting work. Let's perform this activity now.
This is the activity on subtraction of decimals. Look at the problem written here, 0.2 minus 0.08. We can perform this subtraction problem very easily using an activity. As you can see here, I have taken a cutout, a 10 by 10 grid of a white chart paper, and then I have drawn it using the vertical and horizontal lines. So what do you have to do on this grid is, the first number here is 0.2, which is equal to 0.20. So 0.20 has 20 after decimal. So you will have to shade 20 small squares out of these 100 squares. So I've done it already for you. Here it is. So you can see 10 and 10, 20 squares are shaded here. And therefore the shaded part represents 0.20. The next number here is 0.08. 0.08 means 8 out of 100. So what do you have to do? Out of these 20 shaded squares, you have to double shade 8 of them. So I have done it already for you. Look at this. Here we had 20 squares shaded, and out of these I have shaded 8 squares. So what happens now is you have to count how many squares are not shaded here. So 1, 2 and then 10 here. 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 out of 100 means the answer for the question is 0.12. So 0.2 minus 0.08 is 0.12, and we have proved that using this amazing activity.